Welcome to my zombie undead tutorial. For the last, I don't know how many years, I have been a zombie or the undead, whichever you want to label it as. And there is many different types of undead. I mainly go with, but not only, but I mainly go with burn victims. Like burn, really red, black skin, singed on the edges, peeling off. This is kind of going to be a basic tutorial. I'll do more advanced tutorials later. But this is pretty inexpensive. You can do this and have it look like you spent way more than beneath $5. But you can do this for $5 or relatively under $5. The things that you're going to need, and it's going to sound a little strange, is Elmer's glue. It doesn't have to be Elmer's glue, but it has to be the same glue Elmer's glue particularly is, the white glue that you get, and no glitter glue, purple, none of that, no. And toilet paper. Yes, I said toilet paper. It has to not, it's better if it doesn't have any of the frilly designs in it. You want it as plain as basic as possible. It doesn't matter if that's the only toilet paper you have, you can still make that work, but it's better if there's no frilly, wonderful designs in it. In this video, I had to use Scott's toilet paper, which I never really use. But I decided to try it out. I usually use Northern, but you're not going to be using much of it anyway. Scott's is more thin, and you have to be a little bit more careful with it. But if you want torn skin and stuff of that nature, that would be perfect for it. And then if it's Halloween time, you'll be able to get from the Dollar General, from dollar stores, fake blood for $1. Preferably you need one that's dark and that's one that's light. And the other thing that you need is going to be some kind of black eyeshadow. That's what I found that works best, and it can be any, really. It just works better in the long run. You can also get black Halloween makeup, but if you can't find any blood, like if it's out of season, of Halloween season, another good thing, and it looks so realistic, is to get Karo syrup and then take red food coloring and then put that in there. And that works perfectly. It gives that stickiness that blood would actually give, and it works great. So here we go. Let's undead ourselves. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos coming your way. Brains. Sorry, I had something in my throat. I'm going to put this on as a picture on Tinder. You're a match!